Our next step is to create an extruded square on the right side of your cube. To do that, you're going to click on Start 2D Sketch, click on the right side of your cube. This turns us back into sketch mode so that we can make our square. Select the rectangle. Make a rectangle. It does not matter dimensions because we will use the dimension tool to make sure it's the correct size. In our next step, click again. Now we're ready to dimension this square so that it is a perfect square. We'll click on Dimension. Click on the top side. Again, drag your dimension so that it is above your sketch. Tell it that you want it to be 1 inch wide. Click on the green check mark or hit Enter on your keyboard. Now we need to make sure that the square is 1 inch tall. To do that, our dimension tool is already selected, so click on the side of our square, drag our dimension out to the outside of our sketch, click one time, and type 1, and click Enter. Now we need to place this square in the middle of our cube. To do that, you'll click on the Dimension tool again, click on one side of our small square, then click on the side of one of our large cubes, drag your dimension down outside of our sketch, click, and tell it that you want it to be 1/2 inch or 0.5 inches from that edge. Then we're going to tell it that we want it to be 1/2 inch from the bottom. Again, click the side of one of our small squares. Then on the nearest side, click the side of the cube. Drag your dimension out to the side. Click one time and tell it again that you want to be 0.5 inches away from that side. Then hit the green check mark. That should place your square directly in the middle of our cube. To extrude it, we'll click Finish Sketch. And we're going to extrude the small square that you just drew. To start our extrusion, you'll click on Extrude. And then click on the small square. This extrusion needs to be exactly 1/2 inch. You can type it in fraction form or as a decimal. Here I've chosen to type it as a fraction, and then click OK or the green check mark. Make sure you're saving your part file as you go.